Mabuhay! So, no chance to appreciate P-pop content this time, or female alphas, G22, suggested by our top subscribers. Panood natin yung performances nila sa Prod Asia ba to? Prod Aksha, yung One-Sided Love, tsaka Loka. If you want us to watch other P-pop groups as well, or other performances ng G22, let me know in the comments. And if you appreciate this type of content, topic na may subscribe button para makapag-suggest kayo na ano yung mga next na papanorin natin. So let's go, let's enjoy the talent of our female alphas, G22. Jazz. Nice smile. Oh, ibang style. Nawak na National Faye. Oh, cool. Eh. Oh. Grabe yung tone. It's a bop. With the footwork. And they look so good. Whoa. Grabe, kaya din ni Faye mag-high. Oh. Grabe, yung kita mo yung gigil nila sa performances nila, tapos ninanamnam din nila every note, every pati choreo. Ano, kita mo yung, kahit sa pag-post ko na to, kita mo sa mukha ni Jazz tsaka Alfea na they're in the zone, as we call it. Ayan. Kaya nila low, kaya nila high notes. Cute. Whoa. Really vocal. Oh. With the wake. Grabe. So clear. Aww. Third. Ending fairy. Yes. Cute. Okay, AJ. Adorable. General's cute side. So, sa performance na nakita natin yung versatility rin ng female alphas, kaya nila ng little bit of romance or cute concept as well. And grabe yung ano nila, vocal range na abot nila yung mga high notes, tapos nasusustain din nila sa pag-deliver. Check out naman natin yung ano, Loka. Ayan, sa Prod Asia rin or Prod Aksha. Let's go. Stig. Oh. Stig nila. Play a slow note. Waka-hype. Oh, with the dance set. Slay. lakas ng aura nila, grabe. Oh! Oh! Siya unique tone. The goggles. Parang they feed off each other's energy. Sobrang lakas nila pag live. Woo! The flavor. With the dance break. They're giving it their all. Oh, women empowerment. Oh, so hype. Hello, Kaka. General. Yan. Okay, ah. Tawa yung mga mata ni Almeida. So, for the lyrics, very strong din. Either for ano siya, women empowerment or against mga namabash sa kanila ng hate on sa kanila. So, pwede, I think pwede mag-work both yung lyrics na yun. Pero grabe. Talagang kaya nilang ace yung ganong style. So, they bring their strengths in every performance. So, kita natin yung choreo, kita natin yung vocals and rap. Solid na solid. So, thank you sa nagsuggest ng mga performances nila here. If may other content pa kayo na female alphas that you want us to try, let me know in the comments. And as usual, top comment and tantaranan, top subscriber, congratulations. Yung next suggestion mo, paprioritize natin sa mga next batches ng reaction videos natin. So, always a great time witnessing the talents of our female alphas, G22. #PeoplePrize. Kita kits!